Next topic, the Danish. Next topic, the Danish. The Danish East Indian companies. The Danish East Indian companies was a company and arrived in India 1616. So the Danish formed by East Indian companies, the arrive India 1616. The Danish settlement were established. The Danish settlement were established mainly for the Transburg. The Transburg in 1620. And the failed the strengthens themselves. The failed the headquarters of this themselves in the India was 1845. The forced to sell all the India settlement to the British. So in this topic, the Danish was established the East Indian Company 1616. The headquarters of the mainly for the headquarters in this topic, the Vancouver 1620, and failed to strengthen themselves. So the Danish captured all the territories given to the British government, in 1845. They are forced to sell all the Indian settlement to the British. Next one is the French. The French East Indian Company was started in 1668 by the obtaining the permissions from the Sultan of Golconda. In 1693, the Dutch captured the Pondicherry. 1693, the Dutch captured the Pondicherry, but he was handed back to the French. And in 1701, the Pondicherry was headquarters of the French. 1701, the Pondicherry was headquarters of this French. So the French East Indian Company. The French East Indian Company was started in 1668 and obtaining the permissions of this mainly for Sultan of Golconda. Given the permissions are Sultan of Golconda, and 1693 the Dutch captured the Pondicherry. After that, the was handed back to the French. The 1701, the Pondicherry was the headquarters of the French. Next topic are the globalizations of India. So next topic 2.4, the globalization in India. The globalization in India. In India, the period after 1980 and 81 was marked by the severe balance of payment difficulties, mainly due to the hike in oil price and the Gulf War in 1990 and 91. And the hostilities went Asia. So in India was the period of the 1980 and 81. This period the oil price is very high, and also the Gulf War occur in 1900 and 91, the marked by the severe balance of payment difficulties, mainly due to the hike in the oil price and the Gulf War 1990 and 91. The hostilities West Asia. Another one is the mainly for the when the new government, after that the new government in India, the new government took over in June 1991. India had unprecedented the balance of the payment crisis. So not equal payment. The payment is here decreases, the crisis. So after the new government, the formed the new government, that times the price also decreases. The new government took over the June 1991. India had a unprecedented the balance of payment, mainly for the balance of payment, the crisis. Another one is the downgrading of India, the credit rating by some international agency, high flight of capital out of India, the capitals out of India. The three important, when the downgrading of India, the creditor rating by some international agency, there was heavy flight of capital out of India, heavy capital of India. So next one is since the India lost the credit worthiness in the international market.